Welcome to our video tutorial on how to create a Google account. Google is one of the most popular search engines in the world, and by creating a Google account, you can access various services such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Maps, and many more. Whether you are a beginner or someone who is looking to switch from a different email provider, this video is perfect for you. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of creating a Google account, so you can get started with all of the amazing Google services. Voiceover, let's get started with our step-by-step guide on how to create a Google account. Step 1, go to the Google Sign Up page. The first step to creating a Google account is to go to the Google Sign Up page. You can do this by simply typing in google.com into your web browser and clicking on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. From there, click on the Create Account link, and you'll be taken to the Google Sign Up page. Step 2, enter your personal information on the Google Sign Up page. You will be asked to enter your personal information, including your first and last name, your desired email address, and your preferred password. You will also be asked to provide your phone number and recovery email address, which will be used to recover your account in case you forget your password or lose access to your account. Step 3, verify your account. After entering your personal information, Google will ask you to verify your account by sending a verification code to your phone number or recovery email address. You will need to enter this code into the verification box on the Google Sign Up page to complete the verification process. Step 4, customize your profile. Once you have verified your account, you will be taken to the Google Welcome page. From here, you can customize your profile by adding a profile picture, setting up your email signature, and adding a recovery email address. You can also choose to skip this step and come back to it later. Step 5, manage your account settings. Now that your Google account is set up, you can manage your account settings by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page and selecting Google Account. From here, you can manage your personal information, privacy settings, security settings, and more. You can also access all of the Google services that are available with your account, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Maps, and Google Photos. Outro, and that's it. You have successfully created a Google account and can now enjoy all of the amazing services that Google has to offer. We hope that you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you for watching.